Today I show you how to use inherited scenes for level creation. Create a base level with all the scenes and nodes you want to have in your levels. Save your base level and go to Scene, New Inherited Scene. Choose your base level and click Open. What you get is a scene that inherits from base level. You can now start and flesh out your level with characters and some trees, for example. The benefit is that every change you do in the base level gets immediately updated to all the inherited scenes. For example, we could create a new node and save the base level scene, and the new node appears in the inherited scene as well. We don't need the new node, so we can delete the node again, and the node is gone on all inherited scenes as well. To organize your code, you can attach a script to your base level, and that script is being shared upon all the inherited scenes as well. It's exactly the same script. If you don't want that functionality, you can give your base level a class name, for example, base level. Detach the base level script from your inherited scene. Attach a new script to the base level node and extend from base level. This way you have all the functionalities of the base level, and you can write level specific code in your newly created script. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.